Midnight Break acting up. Gage fly and they racing out in front. Is taken by Green Lexter from the outside. Serenata Bumpy Road also. Discreet is also there. Then followed by entry number 3. That's Enigmatic around the outside. Is Midnight Break. And going along for the first turn, Green Lexter leads the pack by line, followed by Serenata in second. Line can have the Bumpy Road. Also, Discreet is watching in fourth. And out of straight day trouble, it is still Green Lexter leads by some 4 lengths now, followed by Serenata. Bumpy Road try to get closer in third, running in fourth. Also, Discreet 6 lengths behind now is Enigmatic running by Rovilla. Is entry number 4, that's Paradiso. Halfway down the trouble, it is still Green Lexter leads by some 3 lengths over Serenata. Bumpy Road, here comes also Discreet now the outside, and running in fifth by some 3 lengths is Paradiso. Enigmatic, Midnight Break, long way back Mr. G. And inside the last 300, it's Green Lexter, Serenata, also Discreet, not the outside, towards the final turn, Green Lexter hanging out, Serenata, Bumpy Road, also Discreet, Paradiso, and moving up Midnight Break, but still Green Lexter, and rushing up Paradiso on the outside, and finally, close finish. Paradiso, Green Lexter, Midnight Break close with Serenata and followed by Bumpy Road.
Close.
Really close. Makikita natin yan sa slow